how we can print a diamond pattern using Python. We're printing the diamond using 4 rows. So first we set rows equals to 4. Now we use a for loop to go through each row. So we write, for I in range of 1, rows plus 1. This means we start from 1 and go up to 4 since rows plus 1 make sure the loop includes row number 4. In each row, we are printing 2 things, spaces and stars. Let's first talk about spaces. If you look at the pattern, the first row has 3 spaces before the star, then 2 spaces in the second row, then 1, and finally 0 spaces in the last row of the upper half. So the logic is, print space multiplied by rows minus I. For example, in the first row, a row is 4 and I is 1. So 4 minus 1 gives us 3. That's why we print 3 spaces at the beginning. This continues until we reach the last row of the upper part. Now after the spaces, we need to print stars. For that we can write plus star multiplied by 2 multiplied by I minus 1. This gives us 1 star in the first row, 3 in the second, 5 in the third, and 7 in the fourth. So when we run this part of the code, we get a triangle made of stars, which is the upper half of our diamond. To create the lower half, we just repeat the same logic, but in reverse. We copy the same code and change the for loop. Instead of going from 1 to rows plus 1, we now go backward. So we write, for I in range of rows minus 1, 0, minus 1. This means we start from 1 row less than the total and count down to 1. When we run the full code, we get a perfect diamond shape made with stars.